Welcome to MarineMax in Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a recent trade of ours. It's a 2022 Aviara 32 Outboard. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury's 350 Verados. We have gray sea deck coming throughout the boat. Great feature on this boat is that you can sit back. All three of these will give you a nice backrest position so you can hang out facing aft. Moving into the boat, another great feature that Aviara does here is they give you space for your fenders. Dedicated spot for that. Moving in, we have a trash bin. Plenty of seating in the cockpit. Great wind bar area. Ton of storage here. We have a pull-out cooler, which is awesome. Sink. Storage underneath all the seats. Great amount of storage on the stay boat. You have your bow and cockpit cover stored underneath here right now. Moving forward to the dash, we have Mercury's joystick piloting, SIMRAD for navigation, all your controls for music, lighting, pumps, and an additional SIMRAD for your engine data. We could pop the engine hatch up on this boat, being that this is an outboard. Gives you a ton of space down there for storage. Life jackets, more fenders. We also have the retractable sunshade on this boat. We have a cockpit table. Walk up the port side here. This gives you a ton of room down your head compartment because it's in the deepest part of the boat. It's a vacuum flush head. There's a lot of storage down there. Also a sink. Moving up to the bow, we have the bow table with the filler cushion in its position right now. You'll realize that this seating is very deep. Makes it very safe when you're running the boat to ride up here. And then you have your windlass up top. We have this door will slide over. This will shut. And that concludes our walkthrough. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.